Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget for anyone who's on the go. The DBPOWER 18,000 mAh portable starter charger. This little powerhouse is designed to jumpstart your car and charge your devices, all in one compact package. So, let's check it out. It looks like you're looking for information about the DBPOWER 18,000 mAh portable starter charger. These types of chargers are great for jumpstarting vehicles and providing power to other devices. Here are some common features and benefits you might find. Features. 1. High capacity. With an 18,000 mAh capacity, it can jumpstart vehicles multiple times on a single charge. 2. Multiple ports. Usually includes USB ports for charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices. 3. LED flashlight. Often equipped with an LED flashlight for emergency use. 4. Safety features. May include protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. 5. Compact design. Typically designed to be portable and easy to store in a car or backpack. Benefits: emergency preparedness. Ideal for jump-starting a dead battery in emergencies. Versatile charging. Can charge various devices, making it useful for outdoor activities or travel. User-friendly. Usually comes with clear instructions and is easy to operate. If you have specific questions or need help with a particular aspect of the DBPOWER charger, feel free to ask. Here's a deeper dive into the DBPOWER 18,000 mAh portable starter charger, covering its specifications, usage tips, and potential drawbacks. Specifications: battery capacity 18,000 mAh, which allows for multiple jump starts and extensive device charging. Output power, often rated around 600A to 800A peak current, suitable for most vehicles, including cars, trucks, and even some SUVs. Charging ports. Typically includes USB ports for charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. DC output for powering other electronic devices like small fans or lights. Input port usually has a micro USB or Type-C port for recharging the unit itself. Dimensions and weight: compact and lightweight for easy transport. Usually fits in a glove compartment or backpack. Usage tips. Read the manual. Always start by reading the user manual to familiarize yourself with the device and safety features. Keep it charged. Ensure the charger is fully charged before using it for the first time, and periodically check the charge level, especially before long trips. Use the right cables. Make sure to use the included jumper cables or connectors to avoid damage to the charger or vehicle. Follow jump starting procedures. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery first, followed by the negative cable on a grounded metal surface or the negative terminal. Start the vehicle after a few minutes. Store properly. Keep it in a cool, dry place and avoid exposure to extreme temperatures. Conclusion. The DBPOWER 18,000 mAh portable starter charger is a versatile tool for anyone who drives regularly. Its combination of high capacity, safety features, and multiple charging options make it an essential item for emergency preparedness. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or need to charge your devices on the go, this portable charger is a reliable choice. If you have specific scenarios or additional questions in mind, let me know.